How to see channels info on WhatsApp web. So if you want to see channels info on WhatsApp web on your PC, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and go with web.whatsapp.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now once you've logged into your account on your WhatsApp, you need to go with the left side which has that channels icon. Click on the channels and this is your gateway to exploring all the channels you follow or those you might be interested in joining. Scrolling through this list might be a bit daunting if you follow many channels, but don't worry. Here's a handy search bar at the top. In my case, I don't follow much. Like, I'll just simply go and follow some of my favorite topics. Now, once I've followed, I have a search icon. Now, you can type in the name of the channel that you are looking for, which can save time and effort. So go with the search and search for the channel. After searching for the channel, once you find it, simply click on the channel name. After you've clicked on the channel, you'll be directed to that particular channel's chat interface. Here's where the magic happens. Direct your attention to the top of the chat window and you will see either the channel's name or its profile picture prominently displayed. Click on either of these. What you'll notice next is that the channel's info panel. It conveniently slides open on the right side of your screen. This is where you get the full details about the channel. It's a great way to delve into the specifics, perhaps its description, rules, contact details for the channel admins, and even previous messages if you scroll through. This update improves user experience by making channel exploration more understanding, more intuitive, and straightforward than before. That's how you can see channels info. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.